Hey there, it's Lexi from the Bowdabra Design Team, and welcome to this fun episode of a DIY Bowdabra Cheer Bow tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this tutorial is perfect for kids of all ages. Follow along with me as we create a beautiful cheer bow that will make you feel like a star on the cheer squad. I just loaded my Mini Bowdabra with Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm using 3 pieces of ribbon that I've already dovetailed and stuck together with double-sided fabric tape. Find the center of the ribbon and place it down in the Mini Bowdabra upside down. Pull the right side tail over the left side and scrunch it into the Bowdabra, creating a loop on the right side, then repeat this step for the left side. Use the bow on and give the bow a good scrunch and set it to the side. Take the 6-inch piece of ribbon and run double-sided tape down one edge. Peel it off and fold the ribbon in half, sticking to the tape. This is the piece we will tie around the bow to hide the Bowdabra bow wire. Trim off any excess tape and set this piece aside. Next, let's go back to the Mini Bowdabra and finish tying the bow. Take the loose ends of the wires and thread them through the looped end and pull it real tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Then remove it and separate the loose ends and bring them to the back of the bow and tie them up in a double knot. Separate the excess bow wire, placing one to the left and one to the right side of the bow. Now wrap the 6-inch piece of ribbon around the center of the bow, tying it off in the back. A single knot is okay. Then cut off the excess ends. Now tie a double knot over the ribbon knot that you just made. Then get an elastic ponytail holder and thread it onto the Bowdabra bow wire and tie it up in a triple knot. Almost done. The last step will be to fluff and shape out the bow. Great job! Your DIY cheer bow looks fantastic! Don't forget to show it off at your next cheerleading event. And if you had fun making this bow, be sure to check out our other Bowdabra tutorials for more cool craft projects. Thanks for crafting with us!